Hey, giggly friend. Today I'll draw something hilarious. It's called Dad Takes a Big Tumble. While I draw, get ready to laugh till your belly wiggles. And before we start, like this video so you can laugh along with Bluey and her family. The day was bright, the sky wide and blue. Bluey and Bingo were bouncing with energy in the yard. "Let's have an obstacle race," shouted Bluey. Dad grinned. "You're on, Squirt. The great healer race begins now." He stretched his legs dramatically. Mum laughed from the porch. "Careful, Bandit. You're not as young as you think." "Nonsense," Dad said. "I'm faster than a kangaroo on roller skates." They set up the race. Cones made from buckets, tunnels from blankets, and a wobbly log to cross. "Ready, set, go," cried Bingo. Dad dashed ahead, jumping, hopping, spinning around. Bluey leapt over a bucket. "I'm catching you, Dad." Bingo giggled, crawling under a chair. Dad looked back proudly. No one beats the champ. If you're cheering for Dad too, like this video, he's gonna need it soon. That happened. Dad tried to leap over the log like a superhero. His paws slipped. His tail swung. "Oh!" He yelped as his feet went flying. Down he went, thud. Face first, belly flat, tail up. For a second, the world went quiet. Then Bluey burst out laughing. "Dad, you look like a squash frog." Bingo giggled so hard she rolled in the grass. "Ribbit, ribbit." Dad groaned, his nose covered in grass. "I'm okay, I think." Mum walked over, trying not to laugh. "Oh dear, your royal race has ended." "I meant to do that," Dad mumbled, still flat. Bluey gasped between giggles. "You're so silly, Dad." He peeked one eye open. "Well, laughter's part of the race, right? If you're laughing too, like this video, laughter makes every fall a little softer." Dad slowly stood up, brushing off leaves. "That ground really jumped at me." Bluey puffed her chest. "I win, Dad." Bingo wagged her tail. "We both win, 'cause we laugh the most." Dad pretended to hand them a shiny medal. Winners of the Giggle Games. They all cheered, clapping paws together. The sun began to set, painting the sky in pink and orange. Dad flopped back into the grass, on purpose this time. You know, falling's not so bad when you've got her pups to laugh with. Bluey snuggled beside him. "Next time, we'll all fall together," Bingo added, "and maybe Mum too." Mum laughed from the porch. "Only if there's soft grass." So giggle now, then rest your head, dream of jumps and laughs ahead. And don't forget, my funny friend, like this video from start to end.